Yeah. The fertilizer man, I tell you, say, at $12,000–13,000 bag, if I use the 14, 28, 14.
Yes.
That's why it's name I'm the beer so thick, yeah? The 14, 28, 14. And everybody, and when you must sell now like that, a man will tell you
Yes.
how much him a buy it for.
That is it.
So I say, no, man.
Yeah.
me think I'm going to change to something else too.
Yeah.
Because no, them take farming for joke in this country.
Yeah.
And anybody who wants to allow them to use them, it's up to them, you know.
Yes.
But not much for me.
Yeah, but when you explain it like that a while ago, Mr. Collins, it does make sense to me, because if you have all of these overhead costs, when you are ready to sell, you should be able to sell based on your overhead.
Yes,
you know?
because that's what happened to most people, you know. And I don't know if the governance of this country really understand what